I curled my hair about a week ago and it still have curls because like I said, I don't really comb my hair out often. I'll just put it up in a ponytail. But I needed to untangle it so I can do the two-strand twist. Ooh, my braids are looking nice again. And now I'm just going to do the two-strand twist. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I always try to do the two-strand twist that is closer to the side edge of my hair. I always try to do it smaller because I don't want to destroy the edges of my hair, so I do that side small. Everything else I can do bigger, but on the side right here, it's always smaller. And I'll put music to most of this video while I two-strand twist. And I always pull the ends to make sure anything loose comes out. I do this so I don't take extra hair and then you don't have like a pool after you finish two-strand twist in your hair. I twist the ends so it's not frilly or loose, and then I pull to make sure I don't have anything extra. Okay, I'll do this side and then I'll do the back. Again, closer to the edge of my hair, I make sure I make a small one because I don't want to pull. By the time I take out this two-strand twist, it will be time to shampoo my hair because it will be 2 weeks since I shampoo it when I do take it out. I'm going to show you how I do the back. This is what the two-strand twist looks like. Side, side, and the back.